Hey loves, it's me, Destiny, and so today I'm going to show you guys how I fix this. So all my locks have all these stray hairs, how two locks are connected. Okay, so gonna make sure my hair is prepared because I am doing a retwist. I put my little oil mixture in, I sprayed it with my water. I'm gonna show y'all what I do to kind of keep these little, you see all these little hairs? I'll show y'all what I do to keep them in. I gathered all my hair that belongs in this lock. Then I'm gonna take just like a few strands from one side, take a few strands from the other side. I'm gonna take them and just do a braid. Now of course the strands are connected to the lock, but this little braid helps keep the hair all together at the root. It left a little notch in the hair, but as you can see, all the hair is gathered at the root. So now I'm free to go ahead and retwist my lock. And later on, I won't have to worry about those little hairs slipping out. It does a pretty good job with keeping all the hair together. Now, I'm just gonna continue the process and show you guys what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. I will upload part 2 later where I'll be crocheting the loose hair back into the locks. I love you guys and I'll see y'all later.